Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to make some aguachiles because seriously, I'm on day 2 of my cleanse and I'm already over this shit. I also have some pineapple Perrier. That's good. Some vodka. So these are
grain-free, gluten-free, paleo, vegan, made with avocado oil, dairy-free, soy-free, no corn, no wheat, or rice.
That is to the T everything that I can't have. And so if you don't know what aguachiles are raw shrimp marinated in a lime, chili, salt, and pepper. Usually other people put a bunch of other shit, you know. And then you let it cook in the lime marinade. And then you just cut up some cucumbers, red onions. I like mine with tomatoes. I know that a lot of people don't put tomatoes in theirs, but I went to a restaurant once and they put tomatoes. My mouth is fucking watering like I'm drooling, bitch. And I don't know, but also I'm not gonna eat this avocado. How beautiful is this fucking avocado? Like, look at that. Gorgeous. She deserves a reward. Like, you girl, you go girl. Okay. Before starting, I do want to say thank you so much to my new subscribers. I'm super thankful. Like, y'all are the real MVPs. I don't know what you guys see in me, because I know that a lot of times when I tell people that I do mukbangs, you know, just for fun, they kind of look at me like I'm crazy. They kind of look at me like, bitch, you're never gonna make it. But that's not the point of why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because it's fun. Like, the fuck? Okay, first bite. Actually, I'm gonna put some cucumber and
avocado and a little onion slice. Little, okay.
take a look at that beauty. Oh my lord, this chip is holding on by the last thread. Okay. I'm surprised it's not as spicy as I thought it was gonna be, because I put 2 chile serranos, knowing damn well that my ass can't do 2 chile serranos, but you know, I always end up doing the things I shouldn't be doing. So, motto. You guys, this seriously reminds me of like something I would probably make to take to the beach. It's so refreshing. If you love lime and you love seafood and you can handle spice, I highly recommend. Go to your local like Mexican marisco place or even Mexican restaurant. Sometimes they have it. It is, you guys, sorry, I'm so out of breath because I literally had to manage to do my makeup, set this up, get this whole process going, because my kid only sleeps for an hour sometimes, and I don't want him to be like coming in through the door right now like wrecking shit. I could use a little more salt, not gonna lie. You guys, if you don't mind that I shout you guys out when you like subscribe to my channel, I would really like to do that. I feel like sometimes when I subscribe to someone's channel, like, the fuck, I want to get noticed. Like, I want recognition. Like, anyways, my point is, if it's okay with you guys, then I'd like to start shouting people out when they subscribe to my channel, because I really appreciate you guys. Like, I want to go out of my way to give you a shout out, you know, because you deserve it, bitch. Like, we friends now. We a team. I'm probably not gonna eat all of this because I'm still on my cleanse. And and I don't really know how much of this I can actually have, but this is literally what I came up with from the list of things that I can have, which, oh my god, let me tell you, I would have this every fucking day. I'd probably have like mud butt for the rest of the day, but like, seriously, I would. I'd sacrifice for this. Hell yeah, any day. I'm feeling brave. I'm feeling real brave. Let's do, actually, that kind of, no. Let's do some of this spicy chile because quiero que me pique el culo when I go to the bathroom later. Okay, here we go. You guys, take a look at this gorgeous son of a, like, ooh, it's your time to shine, baby. Okay. So on my Snapchat, I like to post like a lot of recipe videos. You know, like, I'm the kind of person that when I get a craving, I gotta kill the craving, because if I try to kill this craving like a few days from now, whatever I'm trying to eat does not taste like it tasted in my head. So in order to get that like specific taste that I want, like the kind that's gonna like pop up in my dreams kind of taste, like I need to kill it like that day. So on Snapchat, I like to kill my cravings a lot, and a few weeks ago, my suegra gave me, suegra is mother-in-law, gave me her birria recipe, which is basically shredded beef, I think, and like a chili marinade. And I made, I think it's called birria quesi tacos, or basically like a birria quesad, yeah, you know me, excuse me, quesadilla type of thing. I'll put a little clip in right now because I'm very proud of that. So if you guys want me to add like little recipes here and there, like, I will. I also have been getting people telling me that I should do that for this channel on my Snapchat, which is really cool because I really didn't think that you guys would want to see something like that. Obviously, it wouldn't be anytime soon. It'd probably be 28 days from now, but who's counting? So I would be so down to put that up on my channel, because if you've never had Oaxaca cheese, it's basically like the better version of mozzarella because it melts fast. It's super cheese full, like take it for a walk around the block and it's still pulling type of thing. I wish I'd be down to something like that. Oh god, my mouth is on fire. Ah. But I love it. I can't get enough of it. I do this to myself a lot. Ooh, ooh, I wish I had a beer right now. That right there, that combo. God damn it, why did I cut these so long? Really? Okay, so I normally don't ever eat onion. But my mother-in-law loves onion. Shout out to you, Slider. I hope you're watching. She watches me. She's so cute. I love her. I normally don't eat onion, but she loves onion. Like, she could probably kill a whole onion in one sitting with one meal. chilaquiles, which is basically like a tortilla and it's cooked with chile and then you top it. A lot of people make it with egg. I'm from Michoacan, we don't make it with egg. So they make theirs with egg and they also eat it with bolillo. We don't, it's like too much carbs, you know. But she tops it with onions, and at first I was like, onions, ugh, you know, they're really strong in flavor, like they're just not for me. But slowly but surely I've gotten used to them. So like now I find myself putting raw onions on. God, this hot shit makes me burp a lot. Sorry. What was I saying? Oh fuck, bro, flashbacks. Okay. Onions, yeah, I eat them now. Ooh, baby. Okay. This shit's so bomb. I wish you guys could try this, seriously, like. With a beer, ooh. The other day I was telling my boyfriend, if he remembers that Little Rob song, Summer Nights. That song is seriously a classic. Just kidding. No, it was a fucking hit. I think it was like in middle school. I feel like if I still heard it, I'd probably be like jamming out to it still. You guys, seriously, is there a secret to like doing mukbangs on the floor? Because it never fails. Like my legs are numb. I can't even wiggle my toes. Like for reals. Like if you know a secret, tell me, because I struggle big time. Also, I'm gonna start a new hashtag. Hashtag numnies. I hate that feeling of when like your foot falls asleep and you get that little prickly like ants all over your leg. Oh my god. Yeah, my leg's asleep. Now I look really short. Whatever. You know, Mexican fucking families tell you to do some crazy shit. I told you that when your leg falls asleep, you should lick your finger and then do a sign of a cross on your leg or whatever part of your foot was asleep, and that was gonna help it. Or like when you have hiccups, you're supposed to take a red thread and put it in your mouth, right? And then pull it out of your mouth and either put it on your forehead or put it on your baby's forehead, and it'll stop their hiccups. I did it to Remy once. I don't really remember if it worked or not, but it was worth a shot. But I think I'm gonna end the video here because my mouth is on fire. I'm honestly full already. I'm starting to get heartburn and the Tums are in the kitchen. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. A big shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are seriously the bomb. And I'll see you guys in my next one.